Purdue has become famous for its connection to astronauts like Neil Armstrong. But did you know our connection runs even deeper? Research in space travel and how we might live and work in other parts of the galaxy are still part of what we do today. For Purdue Polytechnic, the connections to space research even reach to the level of our undergraduate students. Adriana Sanchez, who is not only a student in mechanical engineering technology, but also a graduate of our Purdue Polytechnic High School system, just joined a group of researchers in a Mars simulation facility in Utah. Adriana was the only undergraduate to participate, working on revolutionary ideas of organic plastic recycling using living specimens such as mushrooms. This strategy could even work on some future Mars outpost filled with genuine astronauts. What might be a small step for Adriana today could lead to a giant leaps for all humankind in the future.